Hello Room 17, I wasn't expecting to be making another one of these videos, but here I am. So welcome back to week 4 for term 3. The last couple of days will be online learning. I'll be having a Zoom meeting at 10 o'clock if you want to join that. The link to that will be in the email. So I don't think you'll find any of the activities this week too difficult, but we've got a bit of reading, writing and maths for you here. So reading, you can just go on Epic and read a book of your choice. There's the class code down here if you've forgotten it or it's logged you out. You just need to write down 5 keywords or words that you didn't understand from the story. Write their meaning and then use each word in a sentence. And then you can just share that doc with me. So there's my email address there. Just share that straight through. And then for writing, if you haven't presented your speech yet, then you can just practice that. If you have already done your speech, then there's a bit of free writing for you. So you can basically write anything of these genres here, the genres that we have covered earlier in this year. But the content can be anything you want to write about. And then just share that finished piece of writing with me. There's my email address there again. And then for maths, there'll be a basic facts test at some point when we get back to school. So there's just 3 different websites here where you can practice doing mini tests and games. Make sure that you practice your division as well, because that's where a lot of people can pick up a lot of marks. So make sure you do division. And then if you do all that, there's just this extra slide here at the bottom for some additional activity ideas. So hope you all stay safe. See you at 10 if you come onto the Zoom meeting. Okay, see you for now.